Hello friends, welcome to classroom. My name is Kamal. Today we are talking about cell. We are reading storybooks and every story framed with sentence and every sentence framed using words. What are words made up of? They are made up of letters. If you notice these things in your surrounding, everything is made up of one or other entity. These entities are known as basic unit. Did you know that even our body is made up of basic unit? Yes, this basic unit is known as cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. It is also known as building blocks of life. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cell consists of plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and cell wall only in plant. Plasma membrane is the outer covering of cell. It allows or entry some material in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance present inside the cell. Most of the chemical reactions take place in the cytoplasm. Nucleus contains hereditary material in out of the cell. It is present at the center of the cell. There are two types of cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. In prokaryotic cell, nucleus developed because the presence of nuclear membrane. And in prokaryotic cells, nucleus primitive because the absence of nuclear membrane. In eukaryotic cell, they are large in size between 5 to 100 nanometer. In prokaryotic cell, they are small in size between 1 to 10 nanometer. In eukaryotic cell, nuclear region well defined because the presence of nuclear membrane. In prokaryotic cell, nuclear region are poorly defined because the absence of nuclear membrane. In eukaryotic cell, chromosome more than one chromosome. In prokaryotic cell, they have single chromosome. In eukaryotic cell, membrane-bound cell organelles present, and in prokaryotic cell, membrane-bound cell organelles are absent. There are some examples of eukaryotic and prokaryotic. First, we see the eukaryotic example: plant animal cells, and in prokaryotic, bacteria. Thank you.